Speedy the Number Train is back! Are you ready? Because the Number Ninjas are back too! What is going to happen? All I know is it's going to be crazy! So get ready! Because here we go!
It's Speedy the Number Train, it's Speedy the Number Train, it's Speedy. It's Speedy.
They take the one, they take the two. That's just what they do. It's a number ninjas. They take the three, they take the four. Then they'll come right back for more.
Oh no,
come on. Number ninjas. They take the five, they take the six. They're up to their old tricks. It's
not these guys again.
Number ninjas. They take the seven, take the eight. That's just what I hate. Yes, it's a number
Speedy's
ninjas.
numbers.
They take the 9, they take the 10, then they'll come right back again because they're
Hey.
the number ninjas. Yes, we're the number ninjas. Attention, attention, please. We are the number ninjas, and we have taken your numbers, and we are holding them in our giant towers. Ha 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 ha! That's not fair. You guys can't do that. And who's going to stop us? Ha ha ha!
Hey Dave, maybe I can get those numbers back. I can knock down those towers.
Hey, that's not a bad idea, Speedy. But you're gonna need to uncouple your cars first.
No problem. Just watch. Backwards. Forwards.
You did it, Speedy. Great job.
Now I just need to get a good running start.
Oh yeah, better let me get those train cars out of the way for you. There, Speedy. I've put them to the side, and now you have more room.
Thanks, Dave. Number Ninjas, this is your last chance, 'cause here I come.
Let's help Speedy with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go, Speedy! You did it, Speedy! Man, you go so very fast!
One more.
Oh, you wrecked our tower! That's right. And we're gonna take those numbers back. There's the number 1, and there's the number 2. How about we watch that crash again in slow motion? I don't think that's a good idea. Nobody likes to watch ninjas falling. That is enough replays.
And tell us where the other numbers are.
Fine, I'll tell you, but you won't like it.
Go on. Where is the 3 and where is the 4?
Ah, they're in an even bigger tower on the other side of the tracks, over there.
What? Way over there? Oh no!
Yes, our towers are so big and so mighty that no silly train is ever going to collapse them. Ha ha ha! Oh no, Speedy, he's right. This is a really humongous tower with lots of ninjas on it.
Don't worry, Dave. I'm gonna hit it at top speed.
Top speed? Wait, what is this? Top speed?
This!
Oh no, not again! I think I really hate trains.
Time to get those numbers back.
Great job, Speedy. I see the number 3. And where's that 4? Ah, there it is.
Now we need to find the 5 and the 6.
I wonder where they could be. Where could the ninjas have hidden them?
Oh, come on, Dave. Look over there.
Oh! Oh no, that is one big looking tower. Ha ha ha! It is our biggest and baddest tower yet. 100% train proof. Oh boy, what do you think, Speedy? Do you think you can bring that tower down, or is it too big?
Listen up, ninjas.
What?
I'm gonna give you all one last chance.
Never! Go away, you silly train! You don't even wear pajamas!
Okay, you've been warned.
Get ready, ninjas. Here comes Speedy. Cool. Hey, look, Speedy's running away with the tower. I guess I'll land eventually. Yup. Well, with that great super smash, it looks like we've got ourselves the number 5. And where is it? Ah, the number 6. Wait a second. Where did Speedy? Oh, there's Speedy. He ran off with the tower.
And something else, too.
What's that?
A ninja!
Ask him where he put the number 7.
Where's that number 7?
I'll tell you. The number 7 is in our tower right over here. Ha ha ha!
What? That's not a very big tower. I can knock that one down super easy.
Ah, you might get the first tower, but can you get the second? And the third? And the fourth? And the fifth? And the sixth? And the 7th tower before you even get to the number 7. Ha 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 ha! Oh no, Speedy. That's a lot of barriers in the way. 7, if you count precisely, which I always do because I am a number ninja.
Oh boy. It looks like I'm gonna have to try super hard.
And maybe you need to really back up to get a really big head of steam there, Speedy.
Good idea.
Oh, a little more. A lot more. Okay, stop. Speedy. Ha! You got the barriers, but you did not get our tower. Don't give up, Speedy. Just keep trying. You can do it. I believe in you, Speedy. One more big one. You got it. You did it, Speedy.
Thanks, but I'm not quite done yet. Here I come, ninjas.
Great job, Speedy. Now come on back here. That's it. Back it up. Don't forget, we still gotta find that number 7.
Yeah, that's right. And I think I know just where it is.
Good spot, Speedy. That's the number 7, all right. Let me just grab it there. Yep, you can see it.
Number 7.
Well, we got our numbers back, Speedy. But if only there was some way to stop those number ninjas from stealing our numbers again.
Oh, I've got an idea.
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Train? Oh, I think Speedy's gonna take you ninjas on a little speed ride.
Sure am. Just gotta connect these cars first. And then we're gonna go.
It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy.
This isn't that bad.
The Number Train.
Take him faster, Speedy.
Okay.
It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy
Whoa,
the Number
we wanna get
Train.
off.
It's Speedy.
This is too fast. We give up. Just stop the train. Let's go even faster.
It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy the Number Train. It's Speedy. It's Speedy. It's Speedy.
The number train. Oh no, now you've got me doing it.
We sure do.
Okay, we'll stop stealing your numbers if you stop giving us super fast rides and singing that song. I think you ninjas got a deal, right, Speedy?
Yeah.
Well, that was some crazy fun. Bye, ninjas, and bye, Speedy. If you'd like to watch another video, click the bottom box and check it out.
No. Click the top one.
Don't listen to those zuzus.
Top one.
And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click click the circle to subscribe.
Potato!